walk can be given in repetition as per the capacity of the child. Day 3, the child can be asked to touch the toes 10 times with repetition as per the capacity of the child. Day 4, balance head to improve concentration, and day in a circle for 10 seconds. The child can be asked to stand in one leg, go for a then pick up day 9, pick up a ball from floor without using one hand. This one is the release. I will be sharing. Pick up a ball from the floor without using the hand. That is, the child can be the leg coordination can be developed with this challenge. Then day 10, the child can be asked to take 10 J steps, a long step. Okay. Day 11, balance on one leg for 30 seconds. This is not one time. Many times the child, as per the capacity the child can be asked to repeat. Then day 12, the child can go for 6 cartwheels. Day 13, lay on the back and product your leg like a you are on the back, you are bike. Lay on the back, side. Okay. Day 14, use the rope for 1 minute. Skipping. Day 15, make your own hopscotch place for 1 minute. They can make their own some sort of figures, attractive figures, and they can go for a jump. And day 16, stretch like a cat. Do it earlier it was a stretch on the back as high as possible. Now it is as forward as possible. Stretch like a cat. Then day 17, do a length and full weight with the sitting. That is developing balancing, confidence of balancing. Then day 18, dance like a chicken for 1 minute. Okay. So these are some creative in which the child performing without any fatigue. Because we call what one game sort of thing. Okay. Then day 19, walk backwards, step and skip back. This can be modified by you also. Just one of an example what I did. On day 20, do 10 squats in 30 seconds. The child can be asked to do 10 squats in 30 seconds. We will strengthen his or her lower knee, joint, calf, and ankle. Okay. And day 21, we will like a walk. Can you take also? Day 22, do yoga for 10 minutes. Okay, the child see you can do some asanas or you can do some lifting to the child. The child can operate it in the house and the child can do it for 10 minutes. Half an hour, start to flow. Then day 23, tiptoe for 15 seconds. Day 24, throw a ball in the air and catch 10 times. Then day 25, shake your arm and clap your hands, do this 5 times.